What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And now we have the latest information about the Redmi Note 12 series smartphone, and here's every single detail which you need to know about them. So if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So the very first thing about the Note 12 series is that there will be 3 smartphones this time, and they are launching on October 27th, which is less than a week from now. Now the 3 model will be going to be Note 12 Pro and the Note 12 Pro Plus. Now the Pro Plus is going to be on its own league of its own, as it's going to be one of the best smartphone, or we can say one of the best features to have in this smartphone. We'll talk about that in a minute. But before that, the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset is going to be the consistent processor for these Pro phones, and it will be coming with all of the 3 smartphones. Now what's also been known is that the Pro variant will be coming with a 50 megapixel of Sony IMX766 main sensor, and it will also be coming with an ultra wide camera and a third infamous macro camera too. While talking about the Pro Plus and the Pro series, also about its charging speed, all of the 3 smartphones will be coming with a 5000 mAh battery, with the Pro Plus coming with a slightly lesser capacity battery. Well, it's also been noted that the charging speed of these smartphones is going to be the insane and the industry first. Now starting off with the Note 12, it will be coming with a 67 watt of fast charging. The Note 12 Pro will be coming with the 120 watts of fast charging, and it will expected to have a 4800 mAh battery capacity, whereas the Note 10 Pro Plus will be coming with a whopping 210 watts of fast charging. Now we can't call this a fast charging, indeed it's a super fast charging for the phone, and it is also expected to be coming with a 200 megapixels of main sensor camera, and or not only that, it will also be coming with a curved display with a 120Hz of high refresh rate AMOLED panel with the in-display fingerprint scanner too. Now what do you think about this Note 12 Pro Plus with its insane charging speed? Let us know your thoughts in our community poll, and if you like this video, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.